Unbelievable. Here now with reaction, Missouri Senator Josh Hawley. Senator Hawley, thank you for being here. Governor Hochul basically, as I heard it, called people at that Bronx rally clowns. This comes weeks after she said, I'll quote her exactly, young black kids in the Bronx who don't even know what the word computer is. She had to walk that one back. But how do you insult children in the Bronx, apologize, and then weeks later insult the people on our screen?
Yeah, and then she wonders why all of these blue-collar voters are voting for Trump. I mean, the easy answer is these folks are tired of being talked down to by these Democrat politicians, these limousine liberals. I mean, I'm sure she set aside her glass of white wine in order to make that statement. And listen, they want their country back. I mean, they don't want the border open. They don't want illegals coming in here and taking all of their jobs. They just want their country back. And Donald Trump is the only person out there who's talking any sense. And by the way, you want to talk about clowns in New York? They're all in that courtroom, as you were just reporting on, Kaylee. I mean, what a joke that is. Everybody can see it. It's a total clown show. And the more the American people look at it, the more they know that, oh, my gosh, this is a joke. And Donald Trump, it's just helping him. It's just helping him.
It is. And Senator Hawley, I mean, as you've heard Professor Turley say, there's layers of reversible error here. What he means by that is I think there should be an acquittal. And it's actually my prediction it'll be a hung jury because we are in Manhattan. But let's say worst case scenario, if there's a guilty verdict, it should be reversed on appeal. Because as you know, as an attorney, a former attorney general, the facts must match the law. But the New York Appellate Division, they've ruled against Trump on the gag order. They've ruled against him on moving venue. They seem as bad as this judge. So can Trump remove this to federal court, go to where we have fair justices, and get an appeal in the federal realm versus the New York realm?
Well, let's hope it doesn't come to that, Kaylee. But listen, I mean, this is such a joke. And I think the important thing is the American people are seeing it. I mean, here the Democrats, all of their plans are falling apart. You know, they'd hoped to keep Trump in trial forever. They'd hope that that would mean that the public would desert him. In fact, the longer he's in trial, the more the public supports him because they can see this is totally a hoax of a case. They can see it's all political persecution. And my gosh, I mean, if they convict him, that'll probably just seal the election. I mean, let's just have it now. The truth is the American people see right through this, Kaylee, right through it.
Yes,
and it doesn't matter how much they try to rig it. They are not, the American people aren't going to stand for it. I think they're making that loud and clear.
Senator Hawley, just a few moments here, but you do have two lawyers on that jury. Any lawyer worth his salt would see the facts do not match the law. So do you think there's an attorney on that jury who will say to the rest, guys, this doesn't make sense. This isn't how our legal system works?
I sure hope so, because it is quite clear. I mean, listen, their chief, the prosecutor's chief witness, is a serial liar and perjurer. You just had Jonathan Turley explain there is no theory here of any crime whatsoever. That's before you get to the fact that their number one witness has contradicted himself, what, 1 billion times on the stand? It is a shambles. It's a joke. And I hope the jury will see that.
I do too. Senator Hawley, thank you.